Assalamualaikum. Good day, this MJ. Right now, we are here at Metropolitan. The rain is not excuse for us to cover the inauguration of the ASEAN Cultural Center in Manila with the team Flow Navigating the Future Together. Today, August 9, and you will see we will have the virtual tour here in the gallery. Because right now, from the 10 Asian member nation, it's now 11 and the 11 is the Timor
Leste.
Leste. So you will see the founding member from 1967, the Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. Then, as we tour, you will see the different Asian map from 1984, additional member from Brunei Darussalam, Vietnam, Laos, Myanmar, Cambodia, and 2026 the Timor-Leste. And right now, 2026, the Philippines is had the Asian chairmanship. And in this photo, you will see that the Prime Minister of Malaysia hand over the chairmanship to our beloved President, President Ferdinand Marcos Bongbong Jr. That's one. Some of the what the commonality in houses of Asian country you will see here on United Jerusalem is the ventilated roof space, the vertical like this. So that's the Brunei architectural design. Also the vernacular architecture from Cambodia. Then also had the commonality is the Indonesian design that has the advanced anti-Semitic engineering. And next is the People Democratic Republic, the Lao vernacular architecture, like here in the Philippines, the Bahay Ko. And on Malaysia, under environmental adaptation design, that also with the vernacular architecture. Proceeding to Myanmar, had their they utilizing the flexible post and beam timber in the bamboo. And on the Philippines, commonly known the Bahay or the Bahay Kubo, most often called by the Filipino, had a design with the stair. Then the main some of this house had the type of environment, exquisite human scale engineering. So ranging from lightweight elevated bamboo. Then also like the historic architecture from Singapore that they covered the 5 foot footways. So that's the sign from the white bungalow that this design is equatorial humidity. And on Thailand, this the Thai houses that had separated the zone and the step from the traditional Thai architecture that adapted modular response to the Southeast Asia monsoon drought. And the new member of 2025 part of the ASEAN, the number 11, is the Timor-Leste. Timor-Leste Vernacular Architecture Center is dualistic pair houses system separated every day. Uma Tidor living quarter from sacred Uma living ancestral repository. So that's the design. Moving up to Vietnam. So this design from the Vietnamese vernacular architecture that serves socio-climatic and beloved across diverse landscape. So that's the houses. So from the houses we move to different textile. What is the commonality in the textile? From the Brunei Darussalam, you will see on the picture from Cambodia, from Indonesia, from Laos, from Malaysia, from Myanmar, from us here in the Philippines, the Malong, then from Singapore, the batik. Mostly they have the batik not only in Singapore, also in Indonesia, then on Thailand, the Surin Ikat Small, then on Timor Leste, the Tinun Ikat, and in Vietnam, that material, the hemp fiber, also the batik. The hemp fiber are commonly known the water lily, if I'm not mistaken. So that's our tour on the official opening of this Asian Cultural Center here in the Manila. But before that, we will see you the actual design of the texture. You can pan the camera upward, so you will see the different fabric design from the 11-member ASEAN country. Yeah, different. This is the design. Then hoping you learn a lot from this virtual tour from the inauguration of the Asian Cultural Center here in Manila. This is Mariam Bakjana binti Ismael of DCMJ Online, Dawa Sakat Makabuluhang Journalismo, your happiness channel.